Hey guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Lexica AI prompt full tutorial. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Lexica Art is a creative platform that uses advanced AI technology to help you generate unique and eye-catching images. It's like having an AI-powered artist at your fingertips. With Lexico Art, you can provide a simple description of the image you have in mind, and the AI will use that description to create a visual representation. This can incredibly helpful for projects, presentation, or designs where you need images but don't have the time or resources to create them from scratch. The AI can even work with negative prompts, helping you avoid specific elements you don't want in your images. It's a creative tool that makes your image generation quick, easy, and accessible to everyone, whether you're a professional designer or just looking for cool visuals. So this is like a magic image generator that listens to your description and turns it into pictures. So if you need pictures for your stuff, but you can draw or take photos, Lexica will help you using its AI magic to create the images that matches what you describe. It's a great way to get creative without spending hours in design, and you can use these images for lots of different things like projects, website, or even just for fun. As you can see, these are the different images that it was generated by other users. The images generated by other users on lexica.art can be a source of inspiration and reference for your own image creation. So they can spark ideas, help you understand effective prompts, and provide a starting point for your unique creations, allowing you to leverage the creative work of others to enhance your own image generation process. So this is what its website would look like. You can see their logo in here. The home, we have your generate. So you can describe the image in here, add in negative prompt, and then click on generate and the dimension. We have here the histories. The likes, and onto your account. So this is the memberships. We have here the different plans that they offer. We have your monthly plans and yearly plans. So here, you can see the starter, which has 1000 fast generations per month, no slow generation, 2 parallel fast generation, commercial license, and images are public. We have here the Pro, which is the most popular. We have 3000 fast generations per month, unlimited slow generation, 3 parallel fast generation, commercial license, images are public, and we have here the Max, which is the best value for 7000 fast generations per month, unlimited slow generation, 3 parallel fast generation, commercial license, and it can keep the images private. So you could choose which one works for you. So let's get back here onto home. So you have here the search bar and the generate and the columns as well. So you can simply click on to get started. To get started onto this, you have here the option to continue with Google or continue with your email. So we have actually logged in using the Google account here. So for us to be able to start generating, let's just click or search for an image in here. Let's try dogs in the forest. Then right after, just click on to search. And as you can see here onto the bottom part, these are the different images that it generated. So you can see the different dogs in the forest. So there are also details in here regarding what the prompt is. You can copy this prompt so that you'll have the same images like this. You could also copy the link. You can open this in editor, explore other styles. Can see the model that was used in here, the guidance scales, the dimension of the picture, upscaled, and the negative prompt. So it added human in here so that there won't be any humans in the generation. So there are different styles as well for this picture, and you can simply download using this button in here. Now let's try this generate feature. Just simply click onto this. Now here onto this part, we could use these examples in here. So a steampunk teddy bear vending machine. So let's add that. So as you can see, we have added already in here the steampunk teddy bear vending machine. So there are other ideas in here such as cyberpunk, diesel punk. So you could choose more ideas in here so that you could elevate its genre, character, object, setting, and style. So we could add in here pop art. So for the negative prompt, you can add in here what do you want to exclude onto your image. So let's add in here text and blurry. So right after, you could also update the dimensions in here, upload an image that you want to use as a reference. So here onto the advanced setting, you can choose in the model type. So you can use Lexica Aperture version 3 or the version 2, and you could also update the guidance scale. Then right after, just simply click onto this generate button in here, and it will generate the different images for you. And onto the bottom part, you can see the different images that it generated for you. So Lexica is particularly beneficial for content creators because it offers a convenient and efficient way to generate high quality images that aligns with their creative needs. So content creators like you often require visuals to enhance their articles, social media posts, presentations, and websites, but creating these images can be time consuming and may require specific design skills. Lexica's AI powered image generation simplifies the process by enabling content creators to provide descriptions of the images they've envisioned, making it accessible to those without design expertise. This tool not only saves time but also provides a wealth of inspiration as creators and can explore the images generated by others and use them as a foundation for their work. Lexica's seamless image generation process makes it an indispensable tool for content creators seeking to elevate their visual content with minimal effort while maintaining a level of uniqueness tailored to their creative vision. So it has four generated images in here. So here onto the upper part, you'll have the option to generate variations. So let's simply click onto that. And as you can see, it is already regenerating. There is also outpaint in here, which generates a wider version of this image via outpainting. You also have this drop down in here. It has already regenerated. And here, onto this drop down in here, you can load prompt into editor, load image into editor, or you can simply delete it. So you have three already in here. So you'll have the option also to download this image. Just simply click onto that, and then it will be downloaded automatically. And here onto this part, you could click onto this to like this photo. So if you simply click on it, it will zoom in, and you can see in here the description of that images that you've generated. Now if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see the different styles that they offer. So make sure to choose one that you prefer and just simply download it. So since we've liked a certain image earlier, you can see it here onto the likes option. And there you have it. You've learned how to use a Lexica AI prompt tutorial in just 8 minutes. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. And don't forget, onto Lexica's website, you have also the join Discord in here to join Lexica's community. Don't forget to hit onto that so that you would be added onto Lexica's world. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.